Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook amazing pizza on a pizza stone in your conventional oven. We have here our dough balls. We made these sort of 24 hours ago, shaped them into dough balls about 4 hours ago, and now if I test them, they're kind of springing back to life. They've got plenty of air inside them. They're ready for stretching. If you want to learn how to get to this stage, make amazing Neapolitan dough at home, check out the first video that we loaded. It takes you through in loads of detail how to make amazing Neapolitan dough. Cool. So let's take out these dough balls. So what we're going to do is take some semolina mixed with flour just here and put it just on top of the dough ball in the dividing lines between our dough balls just there. Make a nice division between them and scoop it out, keeping your dough ball as neat and round as possible. I've just got here more flour on the tabletop, trying to give it a toss in that, shape it back to round like this, and then press out your dough ball. So now this dough ball is 3/4 ready. All I've done is I've taken my pizza stone out of the pizza oven. I turn that up to the highest possible heat. So if your oven goes to 220, set it 220, 250, set it to 250. So as I said, this is roasting hot just here. It's like really, really kicking out the heat. Obviously just be really careful if you're taking that out the oven. And what I'm gonna do is just finish stretching this, put it on the pizza stone, and then I'm gonna give it a quick pre-cook before I put anything else on it. That's gonna allow it to get a bit of coloration and also to make sure that the base is nicely cooked as well. Finish stretching and onto the pizza stone. Just be really careful there, don't let your fingers touch the stone. We've just par cooked this base now for about 5 minutes. You'll see it started to get some colour on just there and colour around the crust. This is really important. If you just put this, if you stretch the base, put the tomatoes, mozzarella and everything on and put it in the oven, what you're going to end up with is a really soggy base and an uncut crust. Now we go on with the rest of our ingredients. Always make sure to leave yourself around the sort of the 1-inch border around the outside. Mozzarella. We're going to put on this today some andouille. This is an amazing sausage from Calabria. Super spicy. Pork sausage, absolutely amazing though. Loads and loads of flavour. Cool. Alright, so this will go back into the oven for about 7 or 8 minutes. And we're just going to give it a turn halfway through. And that's it. And then we should be good to go. Okay guys, here we have our finished pizza. After that first par cook, we popped it back in the oven for probably about 7 to 8 minutes, giving it a turn halfway through just so it gets a nice uniform crust. You can see our mozzarella is nicely melted, big chunks of andouille on there. Let's give it a slice. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like and a subscribe. Comment below, let us know what pizzas you want us to cook, what else you want to know about dough. Yeah, we might make it for you soon. Cool, ciao.